Also, Sab,
Yeah.
just call me by my actual name so that I understand that it's you. And
Okay.
every time you called me by my name, add a random number.
Oh shit.
Okay, let's try it.
Okay.
9.
There's
I
no way
said
you
you
can copy
file.
my voice. I can always make it send with me. No way you can copy my voice. I can always make it send with me.
Wait.
Are you low energy or high energy, Sab?
I'm in my mid energy.
Sab wants to be a YouTuber. Why not help him, girl?
Bro, let me let me help myself first. Then maybe I will get.
Also,
I can't even do myself a favor. What the fuck am I gonna do with yours, man? Zombie. No.
Oh my god!
And you're stupid.
Jumpy!
what is it? What is it? Oh my god! I get it. I get it now.
Jumpy said, hey, call me by my real name and put numbers at the end, but he fell for it still.